Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use multiple desktops to increase your productivity over your Windows PC. Now in order to do it, just simply hit the Windows key and tab over a tab shift button over your keyboard. Once you do that, a window will appear right in front of you. Now here in just simply create a new desktop just by clicking over there. Once you do that, a new desktop will create right in front of you with no particular application open right in front of you here. Now just simply open the applications you want to open, and you can shift in between multiple desktop. Just simply hit Windows key plus control plus arrow keys over over the your windows, and you can shift in between multiple desktops that are totally different ones. So by this method you can easily achieve the multiple desktops over your Windows PC. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.